Hello folks, today we're going to show you how to make an egg parachute. Now for the members, we have Bea Kabatian as our civil. For theoretical, we have Zoe Marie Baaya, then Jezra Havania for the materials, Tricia Serena Tordesillas as our construction and aerospace, Gwyneth Bliss Milian as our mechanical and video editor, and for the narrator and disaster and risk is yours truly. So this is the drawing of the prototype. As for the materials, we have manila paper, tapes, and yarn. Step 1. Make a box out of paper. Step 2. Cut 2 1-meter yarn string and tape it to the sides of the box. Step 3. Cut the manila paper in the length and height of an intermediate pad. Cut 3 pieces and tape it together. This will serve as the parachute. Step 4. Attach the ends of the yarn to the parachute and tape and staple it. So as you can see, our member is testing the prototype while she's standing on the floor. Next, she is now standing on the couch as she dropped the egg parachute. The last one is on the second floor. Okay, for the scientific concepts and conclusions, this is going to be discussed by Zoe Marie Baaya.
We know that when an object is falling towards the ground, there are two forces that act upon it, and those two forces are known as gravity and air resistance. What is gravity and air resistance? Gravity is a force that pulls the object towards the ground, whereas air resistance is a force that changes the flow of velocity, which causes for the fall to slow down. Let's take for example, if we were to drop an egg from a high place, it will quickly fall straight to the ground and crack open. Now, with the concept of gravity and air resistance in mind, we decided to base our prototype off of a parachute in order to ensure that the egg would land safely on the ground. as a parachute is one of the best examples for an object that has air resistance. Once the egg was dropped with the parachute, it was pulled down by gravity. However, due to its air resistance, instead of dropping immediately to the ground, the drag forces that act opposite to the oncoming flow of velocity was slowed down the drop of the parachute. We also wrapped the egg with paper and tape in order to ensure that the egg won't break due to the impact that may occur once it fell to the ground. When we checked the egg after dropping it with the parachute, especially when we dropped it from the second floor of the house, the egg was still intact and was not broken. And so we conclude that our prototype, which is an egg parachute, was successful.